What if your kitchen could feel like a Parisian apartment designed by Joseph Dirand himself? Serene, precise, and utterly timeless. This charcoal gray urban kitchen proves that restraint creates the most powerful impact. You're about to see how minimalism, when executed with surgical precision, transforms everyday cooking into a meditative experience. Step into this wide-angle view of a charcoal gray kitchen that feels like a calm sanctuary in the middle of busy city life. Morning light pours through those tall windows, softening the matte hematite cabinets and making the marble glow. The bleached oak floors feel warm underfoot, and the whole space breathes with quiet sophistication. You can almost hear the peaceful silence, the kind that makes you want to linger with coffee. Standing here looking straight at those floor-to-ceiling graphite cabinets, you immediately feel the incredible precision and control this space exudes. The continuous marble countertop stretches endlessly, and that northern light grazing across surfaces creates these razor-sharp shadow lines. It's almost meditative, like being inside a carefully composed photograph where every single element has its perfect place. The minimalist beauty here is deeply calming. Walking into this three-quarter view, the smoked oak veneer meets concrete panels in such a naturally elegant way. That floating island in anthracite quartz feels like it's hovering, and the herringbone oak floors add this wonderful directional energy beneath your feet. Midday light fills everything softly, making the blackened steel shelves feel warm despite their industrial look. The space feels intentional, uncluttered, and deeply grown-up. Looking straight down from above, this galley kitchen reads like a perfect architectural diagram where geometry speaks louder than decoration. Those opposing runs of gray cabinetry frame the white marble countertops beautifully, and the limestone grid pattern on the floor creates this satisfying orthogonal rhythm. The natural uniformity of daylight from the end wall makes everything feel so pure and uncluttered, like stepping into a living blueprint. Craning your neck upward in this low-angle shot, you immediately sense the incredible ceiling height and how the space expands vertically. The dark graphite cabinetry dissolves into shadow, while the marble countertops catch this beautiful oblique afternoon light. The island hovers so low and horizontal, making everything feel cathedral-like in its quiet grandeur. Concrete flooring stretches endlessly toward that tall steel window, grounding the entire experience. Getting close to this corner detail, you start appreciating the jeweler's precision where matte gray lacquer meets that continuous marble backsplash. The light from the side window reveals every subtle texture in the materials, and that mitered joint is honestly perfection. The brushed nickel faucet emerges so cleanly from the marble deck. It's moments like this where you realize true luxury lives in craftsmanship details most people never notice. Watching the warm west-facing light pour in during dusk, this kitchen transforms into something almost magical. The charcoal cabinets absorb that golden warmth while the Carrara countertops stay beautifully neutral. The bronze faucet catches just the right amount of warmth, and the island casts this long, precise shadow across the limestone. It's the kind of space that feels like a quiet retreat at day's end. Standing in perfect symmetry facing these twin graphite pantry columns, you feel this ceremonial weight like entering a secular chapel dedicated to cooking. The concrete alcove housing the induction range feels almost sacred, and the book-matched statuario marble extends left and right with such deliberate grace. Morning light from both windows creates perfect balance. Every detail reinforces this sense of architectural devotion and refined urban living. Through this compressed telephoto lens where depth flattens into layered planes, the kitchen becomes almost abstract, like a monochrome collage come to life. Those graduated charcoal tones in matte lacquer and smoked glass create such subtle rhythm along the run. The island countertop appears to float on shadow, and that casement window framing urban rooftops grounds everything in metropolitan reality. It's deeply architectural, yet surprisingly intimate. In this corner where cabinetry wraps continuously without interruption, the matte graphite fronts feel almost endless until you notice the white ceramic sink. The backsplash transitions seamlessly into gray limestone wall panels, and that diffuse skylight creates shadowless illumination revealing every subtle texture. The pale scraped oak flooring running diagonally adds unexpected depth. The space feels cool, quiet, and resolutely intentional in its restraint. Moving through this dynamic diagonal perspective, the long charcoal gray kitchen unfolds like a disciplined architectural promenade toward that floor-to-ceiling window. The alternating matte graphite and bronze-tinted glass cabinets create wonderful rhythmic tension along the run. That honed granite island stretches the full length, and the pale terrazzo flooring reflects the window light beautifully. The entire sequence feels like walking through a carefully choreographed spatial experience. True luxury lives in what you choose not to add. This charcoal gray kitchen shows that when every surface, every shadow line, and every material is deliberately considered, the result isn't just beautiful, it's deeply restorative. Your home can be this calm, this precise, this authentically yours without saying a word.